My CarQuest brake pads right here. Here in the garage, changing my brake pads. I got my latex gloves on here so my hands don't get dirty. Alright, this last bolt, there's two of these. Take this out. This whole caliper comes off. And then I can take the brake pads out. Just gonna pull this brake pad out of here. It's hard with one hand, especially my left hand. Alright, that's the old one. Yeah, they needed to be changed. That little loop of steel is a brake squealer, so when the pads get worn down like they are here, you can see it's thicker. So when the pad wears down to that metal loop, it starts squealing and lets you know it's time to change the brakes, so you don't wear out a pad. Mine's really worn out. Now you're supposed to check the surface of this, but it feels pretty good. I think I'm okay. New pads in there, very nicely. And all I gotta do is push that piston back in, right there, and put it back on, and that's it. Last thing to do, let the jack down.